Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now as you can see, this is another brand new video of Motivational Mondays. Now in Motivational Mondays, we always take some problems that we face in our life and find some solutions for those problems the motivational way. Now as of this week's video, we are going to see friendship. Yes, we are going to see the topic friendship, but before moving on into the topic, I would like to ask that if you enjoy the content that we are providing via this Motivational Mondays videos, then please make sure to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you stay updated whenever we post a new video. Without further delay, let us proceed into the video. So let us start by answering some questions on this topic, friendship.
Hey, my name is Krishna and I wanted to ask, what is friendship and what role do friends play in our life?
Well, a friend is a companion and we see our friend as a better part or a better image of ourselves. Friends are attached via this feeling called affection and regard. So, friends have a personal regard between one another and they are the ones who care for us. Well, they are the people who stay in our life to give us personal assistance and also support us in each step that we take in our life. Now, as of what role do they play in our life? Well, friends play a very important and major role in our life and they cover most of our lives. Well, as to what role specifically, we can share our emotions, thoughts and ideas to our friends, and the friends are the ones who give us emotional assistance and also they support us in every step that we take. So that is going to be a short story which is emphasizing on this week's topic, which is friendship. So please make sure to watch that video and enjoy it.
He is Vijay and he is Ajay. Both are good friends. Vijay believes in God and always tells that God is with him to help, for which Ajay doesn't agree. Vijay tells he always prays to God and gets whatever he needs, but Ajay doesn't feel so. They both plan for an adventure trip, so they hire a boat to sail. It was all smooth in the beginning and they were enjoying a lot, but later things were disturbing. A storm approached and they were thinking how to save themselves. The boat started breaking and began to sink. Thankfully, both had life jackets and were saved and reached a different island nearby.
Thank God, Ajay. We are alive but apart. Anyways, we can hear and see each other. God is with us to take care.
As God is with us, we both shall pray and get whatever we want.
Ajay prayed to God and asked for food. Vijay too prayed. To Ajay's surprise, he got fruits to eat.
Hey Vijay, see, God has fulfilled my wish by giving me food.
Vijay was just smiling, but he didn't receive anything. Ajay then asked for a place to stay as it was sunny. To his surprise, he saw a hut in the island.
Wow, what a miracle! I believe God is with me now.
But on the other side, Vijay was sitting and praying, but nothing happened for him. After all this happened, Ajay is overwhelmed.
If I can get food and a place to live, why can't I get out of here?
So Ajay prayed to God. To his surprise, he sees a boat nearing his island and a girl waving hand. Ajay can't believe his eyes. To his surprise, it is his friend Anita who works in coastal department. Ajay is very happy seeing Anita come to his rescue.
Hey Vijay, how unfortunate you are. None of your prayers are answered. See, I got food, shelter and also rescue.
It's great, Ajay. You got all you needed. It is because of my belief. Thank God.
It's not your belief. God has been kind to me and He gave me all, but you didn't get anything.
My friend, my prayers are also answered.
Well, we both prayed, but none of your wishes are fulfilled.
It's fine if you are happy, Ajay.
Ajay gets upset.
If God is with you, then ask for help and rescue yourself.
Ajay moves out of the island, leaving Vijay.
Ajay, why didn't you rescue your friend Vijay?
Vijay was always confident that his prayers are answered quickly. But you see, he didn't get anything. Still, he is adamant. So I wanted to show him that God is with me.
At that moment, they see a flash. God appears and says,
Ajay, my child, I answered both your prayers as you both are my dearest.
If we both are dearest to you, how come I got everything I wished for, while he is suffering alone in that island without any food, shelter, or rescue?
Ajay, Vijay had only one thing in his prayers. He asked, please fulfill all my friend Ajay wishes for. And you asked what you needed. Hence, both your wishes are fulfilled.
Ajay is in tears and thinks how Vijay was true to him. He tells Anita to take him back to the island. Ajay reaches the island and says sorry and tells Vijay that they have come to take him along with them. Ajay also says thank you for praying for him and making all his wishes come true.
Well, I wish that everyone gets a true selfless friend like you.
Again, my prayers are answered as you finally realized that God fulfills everyone's prayers.
They all leave the island safely. So, the moral of the story is, in life we never lose friends, but we only learn who the true ones are.
Now, as you have seen in the video, this topic called friendship is very important. Well, let us move on to the next question.
Hey, I am Siddharth. I want to know how to make friends in a new environment and how to maintain friendship for a long time.
So, if you want to make friends, then we have to consider where do we start making friends. If you are entering a new school or if you are entering a new college, then in those situations you start making friends. But how do you start making friends, or how do you start the first step? Well, as for the first point, I would like to share that you can start by giving something. Well, what is that something? That something is the emotions or your interests or your thoughts or any of these, and also some materialistic things. Now, as for the second point that I want to share, well, as for the second point, you have to be the first person to open up. Well, you have to start talking and be the first person to tell what you have to say. If you want to make more friends, then be the first person to start talking. Well, if the other person is finding your talk interesting enough, then automatically he or she will become your friend. So, answering the question of how to maintain your friendship for a longer period of time, well, these points are going to help you in doing the same. Well, the first point is to set and maintain your set and respect the boundaries. Well, as of the second point, you have to be open to feedback. Now, you have to start building trust between each other. Now, you have to give space to one another and avoid having expectations as well as avoid having assumptions. So, these are all the points that you have to follow in order to have a long-lasting friendship. So, let us move on to the next question.
Hey, I'm Vishwa. I want to know who is a good friend and what should a friend ever do.
So, a good friend must always be trustworthy, and he or she should always listen to you even in both good or bad times, and should accept you for who you are. And a good friend must always be honest. The last point is that he or she should be a good listener. Well, a good listener will always be able to give some good criticism on what you lack and what you need. So, as of answering the next question, which is what a friend should never do, well, a friend should never be selfish. Well, the friend should not think of only of himself and only of their needs. Well, the next point is your friend should not be overpowering. He or she should be beside you but not try to suppress you. Well, as of the next point, your friend should not cross boundaries. Well, if you have already set some boundaries for yourself, your friend should not intrude into that boundary or your personal space if you do not appreciate it. Well, a good friend must not talk behind your back. He or she should always be loyal and trustworthy to you and should share their feelings straight to your face. A friend who is not respecting your feelings and emotions is not a very good friend. So these were the points answering to the questions which were asked, where these were the qualities or points which a good friend should have or should not have.
So, you have shared some important points with us. What about your experiences?
Well, as of my experience, I have my times where I have laughed, I have cried, I have been angry on my friends, and many other emotions that I have been able to share towards my friends, and I have been always grateful because there is yet another person for me to share my emotions to them. Well, I have many friends who are not practical, who do not take life very seriously, and who are always humorous and always enjoyable. But at the end of the day, they are my friends, and I can very well share my emotions with them at any point of my life. Well, that is a very important part of you, and that is a very important aspect of friendship as well. Now, with that being said, I would like to end the video at this point, and if you like the video that I provide and all the videos that I have been providing via these Motivational Mondays videos, then please make sure to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share the video to as many people as possible so that this video can reach to as many friends of yours. Now, let me see you in the next Motivation Mondays video, and until then, see you guys.